Three, two, one, zero, and liftoff. Liftoff. Americans return to space as Discovery clears the tower.
Happy birthday, kapatid na Ariel, and welcome to the Seniors Club. Naway pagpalain kayo ng patuloy na kalakasan, kagalingan at kalusugan. Naway patuloy na maging mabunga ang inyong paglilingkod sa Iglesia sa Anabu bilang chairman ng konsilyo at sa pagtataguyod ng inyong sambahayan ayon sa biyaya ng ating Diyos na makapangyarihan sa lahat. Muli, maligaya at mapagpalang kaarawan. Yay!
Hello, Kuya Riel. Si Glenn to. Happy 60th birthday and many more birthdays to come. Good health.
Hi Ariel, happy 60th birthday sa'yo. Greetings from California. I'm hoping you're having a good celebration sa iyong birthday. Just a reminder, keep your hearts open sa marami pang plano ng Lord para sa iyong buhay. Think of it as this is just the beginning of more journey with God to come. Okay? Happy birthday at kamusta sa lahat, sa Atilay, kay Arlay, sa kanyang mister, and of course sa family natin sa UCCP Church. Happy birthday again! Bye!
Hello, Randy Diato here, anak po ni Baby Diato sa Anabu. Pinsan ko po si Ate Karen at Ate Lizzie Paredes. Pinsan ko rin po yan si Doyet, yung may tindahan dyan sa kanto dati. But anyways, today is a special day because a great man was born at this date, Kuya Ariel. I say a great man, let me explain that. Magsimula tayo dun sa church. When I was a teenager, pagkagising ko pa lang sa umaga, diretso na ako dyan sa church. And guess who I see every day? Si Atelena and Kuya Ariel. See, let me just emphasize how solid the foundation is. Yang dalawang yan, lagi nandyan yan. Pastors, they come and go. Pero yan dalawang yan, they were always there when I was there. So Atelena teaching the kids, Kuya Ariel, whenever we go places, nagda-drive yan. Palagi yan. And of course, solid foundation, kasama na yung mga kabataan dyan. Si Tael, Pastor Tael na ngayon yan. Pasensya ka na, Tael. I can't call you Pastor Tael. I've known you as Tael. So, for me, you're Tael. Magaling mag-gitara yan. Number 1 yan sa choir, sa church dyan. But anyways, Kuya Ariel, happy birthday. And I wish you all the best the world could give you. And I say the world could give you because nandito pa tayo sa mundo eh. Pag nasa heaven na tayo, sky's the limit na yan. Okay, get it? Heaven, sky is the limit. You got it. Anyways, I say you're a great man because I know you're a great dad and a great husband, and I know you're the solid foundation in your family. So again, from me to you, happy birthday, and you have a great day.
Pare, maligayang bati sa iyong kaarawan from Canada.
Hello Chairman Ariel, happy birthday po sa inyo. Dalangin ko po na maraming birthdays pa po ang inyong mai-celebrate kasama ang iyong family at dalangin ko rin na ang kalakasang physical, spiritual na patuloy ang paglilingkod kay Lord, ang kasigasigan sa pagmiministeryo sa iglesia sa Anabu at paggabay sa UCCP Paliparan. Salamat sa inyong pamilya kung saan we are blessed na nakilala namin ang nating family na kung saan ay isang malaking pagpapala sa sambahayan or sa gawain sa UCCB Balibagan. Salamat po sa inyong buhay. Ito po ang aking greetings sa inyo. Sorry po sa delay greetings. Bye-bye pa. Papasok na po ako.
Ariel, happy birthday. Ate Nene, happy birthday. Good health, God bless. Okay.
Ariel, happy birthday. Tandaan na natin, ano? Well, just think of it this way. With good wine, when we age, the more we age, the more we taste better. So, yeah. Kumusta mo na lang ako sa tropa. Alam mo na ako sino yun. Hi, Ate Lena. And again, happy birthday. Hindi ko na sabihin kung anong yung numero. Okay? Bye.
Chairman Ariel, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Nung nakilala ka namin, 16 ka pa lang. Ngayon, 60 ka na. Thank you sa pagpuno mo sa mga pagkukulang namin dyan. Thank you din sa pag-aalaga mo kay Ate Lena. Happy birthday and more birthday to come.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ariel. God bless. May apo na kami, 2.
Hello, happy birthday Kuya Ariel.
Happy birthday!
God bless, happy 60th birthday. More birthdays to come. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Ariel!
Greetings from Del Monte family. Wishing you good health, happiness, and more birthdays to come. Happy 60th birthday, Ariel!
Ariel, happy birthday, Teacher Loli. Okay, bye-bye. Love you.
Happy 60th birthday, Papot. Wishing you all the happiness on your special day. May God grant you with more birthdays to come, good health, and more blessings. May you continue to be a blessing to others, and thank you for being the peacemaker and the decision maker to our family. And salamat din sa laging paghatid at sundo sa akin sa airport pag ako'y umuwi. Again, maligayang kaarawan at welcome sa samahan ng mga senior.
Happy 68th birthday, Papot. Wishing you good health and more birthday to come. Wishing you.
Happy birthday, Ariel.
Happy 60th birthday,
Happy 60th birthday.
Ariel.
Matanda ka na.
More blessings.